Excavator mounted trimmer. Uzong trimmer are the product designed to trim hedges, bushes, grass, weeds, and perhaps pruning vines as well. Uzong trimmer's working method is a rotating work method in place that moves the excavator forward and rotationally within the working radius. A side shredding method that involves working on the side of the road or by driving the excavator in the direction of travel. A top-down shredding method that cuts wood by lowering the boom from top to bottom. The product features body rotates 360 degrees, a lightweight, high-rigidity frame, working with a rotating cam, blade with excellent wear resistance and cutting ability.
The specifications of the trimmer are as follows. ET1200 Mini Excavator Trimmer is used for mini excavators. ET1200 ET1200 Tilting Excavator Trimmer is used for small excavators. In particular, the ET1200 Tilting Excavator Trimmer can work while rotating the main body 360 degrees. Please refer to the following specifications to purchase and use a trimmer that matches the specifications and work efficiency of your excavator.